Hi all, welcome to the Urbi Academy. Today we are going to see we will learn how to practice the SQL on your system without installing the any software. Let us try practicing in the Snowflake cloud. It is in the browser. Go to this link. I will give this link it in the description also. You can also try at your end. Go to the browser and fill this. It is the 120 days free trial for the one email ID. 120 days it will come. You can practice 120 days without installing the any softwares. The first you need to give the first name, last name, company email means your Gmail ID you can give, and the company name means any name you can give, whatever your surname or anything. And the role you can choose the data engineer, BI analyst, consultant, anything you can choose. And here is the India it will be there. And after the once you do the continue, and it will ask for the specific reason, and you choose the Asia specific. And then once you submit the all the detail, and you are going to get the one email will be like this: activate your Snowflake account. Okay, once you click to activate, you need to give the password and all the password and the whatever the information you need to give there. Once you give the password, and you are going to get the one email like this: welcome to the Snowflake, your account has been activated. Username it will come like this, and dedicated login. You have to keep somewhere. You take this login, and I am going to show you how you can log in the real time. Okay, I have taken that URL. Once you open it, it will ask for the username and password. I'm going to get the username here. One minute, I'm getting it. This is my username. Okay, I will type my password. Yes, enter. Okay, incorrect username it is saying. Why it will say like this? Okay, let me, okay. The password I have given the wrong. Now it will log in. Okay, once it will log in, what it will happen, and you'll be getting the page like this, and you need to go to the project. And once the project is there, you can click on the worksheet. And if you click on worksheet, go to the right side. Here is the right side, plus sign is there. Create the SQL worksheet. Okay, and create the SQL worksheet. And here the first thing what we have to do, we have to create the one database. Create the database name is, I will give you as the sample. Okay, and shortcut is control enter. Okay, and error at the line number 1. Okay, why? Create create the database. I will choose the one database. Okay, let us see. It was not taking the sample one because it might be the already existed. That is the reason. Okay, and I have taken the sample 2. Okay, create the database. Sample 2 has been created. You can refresh at the left side. You can see it here. I want to create the one schema also. Create schema, one schema, sample 2 underscore schema. Okay, and we are good to go. If you refresh it, Again, if you go to the sample to schema, you are here. Okay, and here I am into the which here also you can choose sample to, and schema it is not come yet, so we can refresh it here. Okay, and I am into this sample to schema only. Okay, and I can create the tables here. So which tables we are going to create is we are going to create the one beautiful employee table. It will contains the employee number, name, salary, commission, and the joining date. And I am going to demonstrate to that. Okay. And for this, we are going to apply the data types and the constraint. Okay. And we are going to apply the constant also here. Okay, and let us see, and go to the your favorite browser like the Notepad plus plus, create table employee, and what are the columns we need it here is, what are the columns we need? We need the columns EMP number, EMP number, EMP number is the int data type. Okay, and can see name, salary, commission, and join date. Name, okay, in a name is the where cat 20, and I will put the salary, salary, salary is the end. Okay, let me decrease the font. Okay, salary is the end. Okay, and then commission is the end. Okay, and one more join date, join date, join date, join join date is the date. Okay, and let us execute this. Take this query till end, and go to the here Snowflake UI. Okay, you can do this. If you click the result, it will become more, and you can do like this also. And if you want to do like this, you can decrease and increase the font. And see the control, scroll up, scroll down. You can increase the font and decrease the font also. And here, control enter is the key to. I have created the table. Okay, refresh it. How we can see the whether the table has been created? DESC employees. Okay, DESC unexpected, D unexpected. Okay, let us see. Sample to tables employee is there. Na? You can see this. Okay, let us see. Select star from employees. There is an employee number, employee name, salary, and date. It is there, right? And let us see how we can. Let us see the how what are the this one data types has been applied here. Employee name, we have int, and in the Snowflake it is going to take the number. It's fine. And name, VARCHAR, and salary number. It might be the int or the number. And join date it is going to take. Okay, let us try to insert the sample data here, and we'll see whether the primary key has been applied, as the unique key has been applied, as it is nullable. Yes, we have not given the not null and all, right? We can later also, we can change that also. Let us insert the view records into it. View record, insert into employees, values. Okay, let us take the employee number, comma, employee number, comma, name, comma, salary, comma, salary, comma, COM, commission, comma, join date. Okay, and let us insert the record here, sample records. From here, 101 Scott 2000. 101 single quote SCO Scott 2000, comma, how much is the commission? 10 is the commission, comma, you can give it in the YYDB permit or the any permit also you can give, or else you can define your 2000 YYMMDD permit also. 2011 and month is the October 10 and the date is October 10 and 10. Okay, unexpected insert, okay, and one row has been inserted. Let us see the data has been inserted. See, the employee number is 1, name is Scott, and salary is 2000, commission and date is this. Like this, you can insert the remaining record. Okay, so like this, I can change it to the 101 or 102, and this one you change it to the Smith and 3020, and this one is the 3000, this one is the 20, and this one is the 21 Jan. 2010, 01, 21. Okay, second record has been inserted. You can check it here. Here, 2 records. Like this, you can practice here, and you can delete the record also. Delete the table, delete from employee table, where EMP number is equal to 101. Okay, the one row has been deleted. You can see it here. Like this, you can practice it, and you can delete and update all the steps you can do using this one. Okay, and it is like the normal database only. Anyone can try this. And if you like this content, please comment on this, share to your friends. Thank you very much.